Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can install two WhatsApp applications on the OPPO A95. So in the first step, open the Play Store, tap on search bar and look for the WhatsApp business app. Install this one, and by this quick way, we have two WhatsApp applications from the official source. That was the first method. Now the second one, look for the two accounts app. Install that one and open. Okay, we are ready, so we can launch this application, agree the terms, then tap on the WhatsApp icon and whole process starts automatically, and we are creating the next WhatsApp application on this device. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.